Here we have 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to place it in the microwave. I'm going to put it in there for about 20 seconds, take it out and whisk it up. Here I have almond flour, which is going to help create the bread. I'm going to take 6 tablespoons and put it inside the butter. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Two eggs. Here's the one. And here's the second one. This is optional. You could use any seasoning you'd like. I choose to use the Italian seasoning. I just like that, so I'm going to add it to my ingredients. I'm going to whisk it all up. If you have a sandwich container, sometimes you can get them at the dollar store. You can use that as the mold. I only have a plastic one, so I'd rather use glass. So this is what I had on hand. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to add a little Pam to my glass pan. Now we're going to take our low-carb, keto-friendly bread mixture that we made of the almond flour, and we're going to place it inside the pan. Now we're going to shake it back and forth to make it all level. We want to tap it against the counter to get the air bubbles out. I put the ingredients in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It worked great for me. If the middle is still watery, you can put it in for a few more seconds. Before I flip anything, I always slightly go underneath it. Then I'm going to put a plate over top of it, and I'm going to turn it the other way. And now I decided to make a tuna melt, a healthy, nice tuna melt. I had some mozzarella cheese on the bottom, tuna, some tomato, spinach, and arugula. You can add anything that you want. I'm going to butter my pan. You notice when you flip the bread outside the pan that one side is a little more moist. I decided to leave that on the outside and put it directly on the pan so that it would be nice and crispy. Super delicious, guys. This time I'm making a grilled cheese. My son wanted to try one, so I decided to make some more bread just like I did in the steps in the beginning. Buttered the bread this time, and I'm going to put it directly on the pan. While the one side's cooking, I'm going to add butter to the other side. And here it is, the finished product. I'm a mom of 2 little boys, so everything I do has to be whipped up nice and quick. And this is also healthy and pretty tasty. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.